Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video, I'm going to show you mini iPhone review. No. This is not mini iPhone. This Viny mobile. This like to iPhone design. Yeah, 3 camera and 13 Pro, 12 Pro design also. It's like that. It's nice, very nice, and Viny brand. And this one is also Chinese mobile and keyboard mobile. And I will show the backside. And oh my goodness, 3 sim mobile, 1 2 3. Oh my god, nice. But is giving one camera, but is like to 3 camera. I insert the battery, and now I power on. Keep it also smooth, very smooth. Okay, very nice. And 3 sim, 1 2 3, 3 sim also nice. I will explain this. Normally good. This mobile also Sri Lanka price also 3,500, and I recommend this mobile. Normally good, not perfect, normally good. This mobile. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day upload a useful video for you.